Zipping and unzipping a folder is one of those skills that you definitely need. Let's take one of the simplest examples. You cannot send a file that exceeds 25 megabytes through Gmail, so you have to like compress the files into a folder and be able to attach it and send it. Now, to compress a folder is one of those easiest things. Now, on your Windows screen, just pick any folder. You can pick, let me just pick this, for instance, the voice records. Now, this folder has quite a number of files, as you can see. If I want to compress it, I just right click on it, and then I'll go to the send to option. When I click on send to, I go to compressed zip folder. Then this will take some time to upload that folder. Now, I want you to see the reason why it is important to compress this folder. If I go to my Gmail right now, if I just open a new tab here and go to my Gmail and try sending an entire, let me just say compose, and maybe attach a file here. If I attach a file, if you attach a file that exceeds 25 megabytes without compressing it, it will be sent through your Google Drive and you'll be provided a link that will be attached to your email address. But if you want to compress the folder, then it is very easy. Now let's go back to our screen where we were trying to compress that folder. Now you notice that it has been compressed, and usually a copy of the compressed folder is created. So you see here we have the VoiceRex compressed version and this other version here that is not compressed. Now, if you want to unzip a file, then you'll have to use a tool. Usually we have WinRAR, we have zip7zip. So you just go to your browser and search, for instance, something like WinRAR, for instance. Let's look for that WinRAR for Windows 10, or just tap on that WinRAR. The RAR is usually like an extension for zip files. Now, if I want to download this here, I'll download this and install it. So once you've downloaded and installed WinRAR, now you notice that our zip file now has changed its icon to pick up on the WinRAR, or the RAR kind of extension, the icon that was initially with the WinRAR application. Now, if you want to now unzip this, you just right click on it, and you'll notice now you'll have the options to unzip or extract all extract files. So if you want to extract here, it will extract within the same folder. If you say extract files, you'll have to select like a specific location where you want these files to be extracted in. So what it does is breaks down the initial compressed files and gives you the individual files that were within that folder. So that's how you unzip and unzip a folder in Windows 10, or I think Windows 11 as well. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumb up, share it, subscribe, and you can also watch other videos on how to fix simple Windows errors.